So I'm going to go ahead and put the cooking stone in, and then I'm going to try to get one of these parchment papers to kind of fit in here okay. Let's see how this goes. This is no origami right here. This is sloppy. This is me just kind of smashing everything into place. It's not going to be pretty. Sorry, Mike. Well, they don't really fit, but I forced them. This is cream. I don't want to get too carried away with the cream or it makes it take forever to cook. Butter. Ooh, that looks good. I'm gonna put the lid on. I'm just gonna kind of smash the paper down best I can. Hopefully it'll relax a little bit and stay. Put my tongs together, and so that I can get a hold of some hot coals. I'll just put these big old hot coals on here. Do the hot side down, if there is a hot side. That looks like it would be it. Ooh, that looks like a good one. Alright, let's see if those hot coals are gonna do it for us. And we'll just let that work. It's been about 10 minutes. Ooh. Well, it's rising nicely. It's not burning. It looks good. We don't want to mess with them too much or we'll smash them. This might take a little while. I think the best route is to just let it go just like it is, because there is quite a bit of heat from the top and from the bottom. So that heat is right there. You can see our shadows are getting long. I picked a spot to put my bed. I chose to put it kind of behind and under these pine trees right here. You see, that's going to be the east. It's going to be where the sun comes up. I'm going to put my bed right here. And then hopefully those trees will be in a really good alignment to put me in the shade so I won't have to pack up in the direct sunlight. We're at about 20 minutes. Ooh, look at that. That's actually really pretty. That's beautiful. Oh, that's beautiful. I love it. Look how big it's getting. I think I'm just going to give it maybe 10 minutes. This might get burned because it's touching. Let's see if we can move things around a little bit. Take that one off. We'll just kind of move them away from this corner. Can never be too warm. Okay, I can smell it quite a bit, which I hope I didn't let it go too long because it does smell a little toasty. Let's see if I can move the lid. It's going to move the lid over there. Ooh, it did get a little toasty on top, but not too bad. It looks pretty good. I'm going to pull the whole thing out. just gonna set it right here. Oh yeah, man, that turned out awesome. Look at that. We may not have an oven, but we have a box pot. Let's see if it will just sit there. Rest right there. Oh, look at that beautiful thing. I'm excited. This is cream cheese frosting that my daughter Emma made for me. Oh, still just like a little bit chewy. Oh wow, that is good. Look at that. It's fully cooked, but it's still super, super moist. Probably all that cream I put in there. There's a hummingbird that keeps screaming by. Look at that beautiful stuff. I should just do this, do each bite. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Wow, that's so good. The bottom is just a teeny bit crunchy. Oh man, so good. Look at that. Beautiful cinnamon roll. Wow, that's so good. Put it right there. Bon appetit. Wow, that's so good. Let's do this. We'll put a little butter on it. This is so that the sea salt will stick. Very important. All right, there's our butter. Just a light sprinkling, just like that. Now it's perfect. As if it wasn't good enough before. Now we have perfection. Ho ho ho. Yep, that did it. Can't get any better than that. Oh, should I eat the middle? The middle's supposed to be the best part. It's got that crunchy spot on top. No, Maggie. Maggie, go on, back. Good girl. This isn't for dogs. This is bad stuff. This is naughty stuff. Ooh, wow. Amazing. We need to go for a walk and work off some of that food I just ate. Holy smokes. I'm stuffed. You guys want to go for a walk? It's hard to do it with one hand. There you go. There you go. Come on, boys. Let's go the other direction this time. Go down this little creek. It's so pretty. I like that it's shallow enough that I can just step in it anywhere and it's okay. So nice. Journey. Oh, good girl. Oh, look at that. Wow. Even the goats seem excited. They're like, what's going on? What's so cool? What's going on, man? What's so cool, Bill? What's so cool, Levi? I don't know.